Welcome to Wisconsin Homestyle Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland. Hello everyone. Today I will be making baby back ribs. These have been one of my favorite things to make this summer, not only because they are delicious, but because they're simple and easy to prepare. First thing I'm going to do is to trim off some of the excess fat on this piece of meat, and then I'm going to flip it over and remove the membrane from the back. Now to remove this membrane on the back, I'm going to peel up a part of it with my knife and then grab it with a paper towel, and hopefully it'll all come off in one piece. Okay, now my ribs are ready to be seasoned, and then I'm going to put them in a pan with a marinade and bake it for about 2.5 hours. So I like to coat my ribs with hot sauce. I think it gives it a little bit of extra flavor, a little bit of a kick. And today I'm using a sweet habanero hot sauce. If you aren't a spicy fan, you don't have to use it. There's so many different recipes and options out there for how to make ribs. This is just how I make mine. A little bit of extra flavor. Now that my ribs are coated with the hot sauce, I'm gonna season them, and then I'm gonna make my marinade that will go in the pan as they bake. I'm gonna use my mom's special seasoning. Okay, my ribs are hot sauced and seasoned. I'm gonna set them in here, meat side down, and then we're gonna make our marinade that will go in the foil with them. So I'm just gonna plop them right in here. I'm gonna clean this up a bit, and then we'll make our marinade and put them in the oven. All right, so to go on top of my ribs, I usually just kind of do a conglomerate of different spices and sauces. So I'm gonna add those together right now, and I'll kind of show you what I do. So first I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil, some ketchup, some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, brown sugar, some crushed red pepper flakes for a little bit of spice, and last but not least, pineapple juice. I'm going to stir these all together, and this is just really a conglomerate of a lot of different stuff, and you can use kind of whatever you want if you just want to cook them in barbecue sauce or make your own. There's tons of different recipes out there, and there's so many different ways that pork and ribs can be prepared, so I just like to experiment with a lot of different options. Perfect. Now I'm gonna cover these up and bake them for about 2.5 hours at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after that, we will see how they turn out and maybe put them on the grill to give them a little char and a little extra flavor. Okay. One of my favorite things about eating pork is that it's a great source of protein and nutrients, and it fills me up for my day. So I can use it in so many different ways. There's so many different opportunities to consume pork, and it comes in so many different fashions, from ribs to a pork loin to ground pork that can be added into almost any recipe. For more pork information, nutrition facts, and great recipes, visit the Pork Checkoff website at pork.org. It's been about 2.5 hours. I just took my ribs out of the oven. Now I'm going to drain off the excess liquid and then brush them with barbecue sauce and put them on the grill. And that's how you make my baby back ribs. After they're done baking, you can either grill them like I did or broil them in the oven. On the grill, they should just have a minute or two on each side, and then they should be perfect. You can brush them with barbecue sauce like I did here, and they are good to go. If you do grill them, make sure not to leave them on the grill too long, otherwise they may burn. Enjoy!